Hello friends, today we'll be unboxing the HP DeskJet Ink Advantage 5085 printer. Now in this time of lockdown and working from home and where situations where kids are having school by attending online classes, a lot of us have found ourselves in a position that we need a good printer at home to take care of our printing needs, whether it's assignments given to the kids or whether it's printouts that we usually get from the office printer. So any of these needs, if we need to satisfy, we need to get a good printer for home. So after searching online and reading about the features and the relative performance of the printers, so for my home use I have narrowed down on this HP DeskJet Ink Advantage printer. Nowadays most of the printers that you find in the market are the ink tank type of printers. Those kind of printers actually print a lot of pages, nearly 5000 to 6000 pages on one bottle of ink. So that's a lot of paper that can be printed with one refill. But the problem is, if you don't print frequently enough or if you don't print every week, the ink nozzles in the printer tend to clog up and you will face issues later on in the usage of the printer. So since my usage is not that high, and for home printing I may be casually printing maybe 10 to 15 printouts a month or even less, so I thought I'll go for a model that's relatively inexpensive, and also the cartridges cost also should be a bit low. So I had a Ink Advantage printer prior to this. I had a Wi-Fi printer before this. It was a HP model, but the cost of printing with that particular printer has now gone up due to the unavailability of the cartridges and also the high cost of the cartridges. So that's why I wanted to upgrade to a new one, because the cost of my old printer's cartridge one set is more than the cost of a new printer. So I have decided to upgrade to a new printer, and it's already been 8 years since I am using the old printer, and it's still working, but the printing cost has gone up really high. So I'm upgrading to this particular printer, and the price of this printer is approximately 8000 rupees. So it might vary depending on where you are buying this printer. So I went with the 5085 version. There is also another version called 5075, which is in black color. It's just a color difference. There's no other difference in both these models. So this model comes with Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can use your phone to scan, print pages. And the reason why I chose this particular model is not just for its low printing cost, it's for its duplex printing feature. What is this duplex printing feature? It's nothing but two-sided printing, automatic two-sided printing. So this particular printer comes with double-side printing, and you don't need to manually flip the page. So if you are like giving a printout of maybe 5 to 6 pages, so it will print in one go, print all of them in one go. You don't need to reverse them to print on the other side. And it comes with two cartridges. It uses the HP 680 type of cartridges. So one cartridge is the black ink cartridge, and the other one is the 3-color ink cartridge. So it comes with two cartridges. So approximate cost of this cartridges is around 1300-1200 rupees. So the set of cartridges. So it's relatively inexpensive, even though it's still high compared to refilling the cartridge. I still always use original cartridges, and keeping that in mind, the cost of this printing is really low for my needs. So it has print, scan, copy features. It doesn't have the fax features, and anyway nobody is using fax nowadays, so it doesn't have fax, but it has print, scan and copy. It has a flatbed scanner, and it comes with a touchscreen on the front panel, and it uses the HP Smart app to use all its smart printing and scanning features. You can also set up an email address where you can just email your documents to that address, and the printer will automatically print them for you as long as it's turned on. So the biggest advantage with this printer is you don't need to keep it anywhere near your desktop computer or your laptop computer. You can keep it anywhere in your home where the Wi-Fi signal is there, and you can print comfortably from there. So that's the biggest advantage with this printer. And this technology is not new. It's been there from more than 10 years. So printing by Wi-Fi and remotely, and they have been there by HP itself. So this is a newer model, and it has, I think, a 25 or 30 sheet input tray, which you can use to store paper and print it as you need. So let's get started with the unboxing. This particular printer is made in Thailand as far as I know, because on the other side you will find it in a different language, whereas some other models are made in China. This particular one is made in Thailand. So let's get started with unboxing. On the front, this is how you find it, and on the side you have all the model relevant details. This is the 5085 model all-in-one printer, and the seal is intact. I can just quickly open the seal. The seal. So on the top, let me just move this a bit further. Okay, so there are some documentation that shows how you set up the printer, maybe a quick start guide. This explains the functions of the printer, and this is explaining about the ink cartridges. So there is some paperwork right on the top. So make sure you read these instructions well if you are new to this. It also shows how to use the app and set up your services on the app. So I'll keep this documentation aside for now. And what else we get in the box? Fortunately, we get a USB cable. When I read in the online specifications page, it said it's not included, but this USB cable is included. So if you want to connect your desktop or laptop via physical connection, you can use this cable. And there is also a power cord, and there are two starter cartridges. So HP 680 setup black cartridge, and HP 680 tricolor cartridge. It's called a tricolor cartridge. And the thing about these cartridges is they will not give you the full yield that's expected with those cartridges. So as per HP, the 680 tricolor cartridge, the actual cartridge will be having a yield of around 150 pages, and the HP 680 black cartridge should have a yield of 480 pages roughly. So those are all under test conditions. I am not sure understand regular home usage if you can get that many number of pages, but still they would suffice my need. And another disadvantage with these cartridges is that if you don't use them for a long period of time, they tend to dry up easily, so bear that in mind. So buy cartridges only when you need them. This is the power cable. So this is the Indian power cable, and this is where you connect to the printer. So I'm keeping these aside for now. And let me just quickly focus on the printer itself. This is all right. I'm going to keep the box aside. So this is the actual printer itself. There is some bubble wrap for protection. And if you see, let me just gently lower this onto the table. There is the printer. So it's wrapped in a lot of plastic right now. So as you can see, the screen is up front, and you have the input tray over here. This is where you load the paper for printing, and you get the printouts from here. And this is the flatbed scanner. So here you can scan documents. Let me just take you around the printer. So there are some instructions and other literature printed on top. So dual band Wi-Fi, this comes with dual band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support. It has a 2.2-inch screen, two-sided printing. It has borderless printing for photos, and it uses the HP Smart app. So wireless, print, scan, copy. And at the back you can see the ports. This is the power port and this is the USB port for printing by using the USB cable with your desktop or laptop. So this is the power usage it's given. So around 400 milliamps is what it uses, so very low power consumption. The printer looks decent, so I'll set it up and start printing with this. Make sure you register your printer with HP for warranty purposes, and if you need, you can buy extended warranty with your HP printers. So HP will give you the details of how many years till how many years you can extend the warranty, but it comes with a standard warranty of 1 year. That's it for this unboxing video. Hope you liked it. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and press the like button. Thank you.